was that? Whee! Oopsie. Wait, no. This is the right way. What are you doing? Oopsie. Close up.
Yikes. Mega close up.
Wee, what's this? If I can just get the right way, I can get it to see the book. And I'll have a book to read in the future. What are you doing?
This book will be in the library when you're ready to read it.
No, I mean the future. Why is it so dark?
It's too close.
What's this thingy? Oopsie.
Ow.